Anywhere in CampusWire that you can create a post or send a message, you can use our real-time Markdown and LaTeX editor. To use the editor in a post, just begin creating a post, make sure you're in the plain text editor, and for LaTeX, open with double $signs, enter your text, and we'll automatically close the equation with double $signs. Our Markdown editor uses traditional styling, and if you're curious about which library we're using for our Markdown or LaTeX editor, feel free to reach out and I can share all of that info with you. In the rich text editor, there's also a LaTeX symbol picker for students who might not be familiar with composing LaTeX. In direct messages, chat rooms, or comments on CampusWire, you can use the Markdown or LaTeX preview by navigating to the f of x symbol in the bottom right-hand corner and composing your equation in the editor.